So this is actually producing ice cubes, little ices, really fast, like incredibly fast. Hi, my name's Scott. Welcome back to another review. Today we are reviewing Dr. Prepare's Nugget Ice Maker. If you guys want to pause the video right here, you can get some more specs and information. Okay, this is what it looks like. Now what's nice about this, if you lift this up here, pull this out, these are drain lines. So you can run this anywhere and drain it. Just pull off the top piece, and when you're done, just simply place it back and push it back down. That is really nice. That is an extremely nice feature. Overall, very nice design. Lift up the lid in here, and we can see there's a scoop for the ice, a very large basket, and in here you fill the water. You take a look in here. Do you guys see the lip right here? So off to the sides, there's this lip. That's the max fill line. Don't put more water than this line. Water should not be going over this lip. Of course, as always, there's a couple things I recommend doing. Cleaning the basket, so wash it with soap. Clean the basket, wash it with soap. And also, let it run through very many cycles. That way it can get the insides cleaned out, or your ice cubes might taste a little funny. What I recommend doing is doing at least 4 batches of ice. Taste test the ice every time you do it, and then once you don't have any nasty flavor or nasty taste, then your ice is ready to be consumed. And you only really need to do that the first time because, you know, something's made in a factory. Obviously the components inside and everything's new, so get the stuff through the lines and so forth. But let's go ahead and start testing it. Up here you can see we have on and off. If we turn it on, we're gonna make sure that we put water in it first. So I just noticed there's a piece of tape on here as well. You want to remove that and drop the tray down like that. So if you have it up like that, it should automatically drop that tray when ice comes down through, but we're just gonna set it down like that. There is also cleaning mode. It lets you know full ice and so forth. So there's a couple different modes you can go with. Make sure you refer to your manual for those different modes. So this is actually producing ice cubes, little ices, really fast, like incredibly fast. And of course I touch it with my hands because, you know, I'm gonna be feeding this out, so we're not actually gonna be eating this ice and water here. But this is what it looks like. As it cools off, it's gonna be bigger chunks, probably, I would guess, but I'm super impressed. Okay, now that it's getting colder, we can see it's turning into more of little ice nuggets. So here you can see it better. So that's what you can expect. These little ice nuggies. This machine is awesome though. I really like this a lot. Like, I'm very impressed with this. And it can hold a lot of ice, so you can make a lot of ice. Very impressed with this. Let's see if it pushes it down on its own. If there's enough ice coming. It probably will once there would get enough. But yeah, I'm impressed. Very nice. Very, very nice. We're definitely going to be replacing the ice machine that we have right now. This little guy, we're replacing it definitely with this bigger one because I like everything. I like the little ice nuggies. I love everything about it.